Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working on day 4, or video 4 of the September Build a Journal Challenge. And if you don't know what the September Build a Journal Challenge is and you've just stumbled upon this video, it is a month-long challenge to build yourself a binder journal or a ring journal. Okay, last year I did this in September and it was a sewn journal and I loved doing it. That one was more in depth. If you've never made a journal before, that is linked down below as well. The playlist is linked down below, as well as the PDF for last year, this year's PDF, and this year's playlist. Everything is linked down below that you need. The PDFs are free. It's on my Ko-fi page. This year, however, I'm not going as in-depth as I did last year because it was a lot. I had a video every day last year and it was a lot. So this year we're going a little bit looser this year, but still making a complete journal. So today we are here to decorate our cover and our cover page. Now, we have a problem with mine because my cover page is decorated. This is my cover page on the inside. If yours is plain, take the time now to decorate. You can decorate any way you want. It's your journal. Do what you want. Okay? Now, what I do need to do, and I think I will use one of these that I have left over from trimmings. And I told you in the video, oh, maybe I did not. I did not tell you. Why didn't I tell you? Because that video got cut off. So I didn't tell you that when I trimmed the papers from this paper pad, I left these bigger scraps that if I needed them, I would have them for in my journal. The rest of the smaller scraps I threw away. Okay? So I think what I'm going to do is take one of these and I'm going to cut it down to 7.5 because one of these is not 7.5. This one is not 7.5. So let's cut it down to 7.5. Okay. So one of these is going to be used to put the date on my journal because I don't know if you know this. I need to date things because if I don't know when it was. And I just broke that box. Damn it. Okay. I just broke my paper box because for some reason I put this in my paper box. So what I'm going to do is, which one should we put here? This ghosty one or the plain one? Plain or ghosty? Plain. I think I'm going to do the plain. Now I'm going to punch it. So I am able this year to keep this right here, which I have not been able to do in previous years. So this is actually really nice. And I don't think I'm going to have enough room for any of these. Oh, right here. These might be small enough. I'm sorry, I just hit my microphone. I'm very sorry. These O's are weird. O. Come on. C. T. O. They look like Q's. Okay, because they kind of are. Where's the O? Okay, I'm going to cut off the little thing because these are definitely Q's. So there's no O. There's no O in this one. What the heck? Those are definitely Q's. It says M-N-O P-Q. Oh, no, there's Q's. Okay. Okay, those are O's. Wow, they are very weird O's. So October. Where's the B's? Up here. October. And an R. Yep, because if I don't date it, I never remember what. I'll know it's October, but I won't know the year. So, we're just going to fix that by putting a little thing in. Okay. So what I'm going to do, these weird O's, I guess I don't know what time it is. But I haven't been down here long, but that's weird. Let me clip that out. These are very weird O's, and I'm not satisfied with the O's. October's my birthday month, and I'm not satisfied with these O's. I think I am going to cut those things off because it just looks like a Q. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing with your fancy letters? But I couldn't even pop the thing out. All right. Yep, watch this. O. C. Where's the T? Octo. Gotta do another one. Okay. Frickin' dog is barking. I don't know why he's barking. O. B. E. R. 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 I'm going to move this over. We need to figure out where it's going to go so we know we have enough room. And then the 20, which this punch out page is not very well punched out. And I don't want to rip the 2 because it's the only 2. And these ones are exactly small enough to fit on here. I don't think any other ones are small enough. 20. Yep, these are not punched out very well. No wonder it was at Goodwill. Okay, so we're just going to move this over as far as it will go. There we go. So it'll say October 24. I need glue. Look at that. I just destroyed the back of that. Look at it. So you can decorate your, of course, it's your journal. You decorate how you want to decorate. But yes, if your cover page is blank, which most of the time my cover pages are blank. This time I had that one and I really wanted to use that as the cover because I thought it was super cute, this one here. But usually my cover pages are blank. And then I would just decorate it. You can use whatever you want, stickers, ephemera, whatever you want. But it always feels so satisfying to have that part done, to me anyway. I think it's satisfying to have everything, the cover and the cover page decorated. Now, if you don't want to decorate your cover, don't decorate your cover. If you don't want to decorate a cover page, don't decorate your cover page. It's up to you. It's your journal. Do what you want. But like I said, I find it satisfying to have that done because it's such a big part of how your journal turns out looking. Okay. And as you can see, I am using this journal for October of this year. There we go. So October 24, and I'm just going to open this up and put it right here. Okay. So there we go, October 24, and then that's done and this is done. Now, so I was digging through my stash to see if I had anything Halloween. Oh, I also dug this stuff out, so let me put this stuff away. There we go. And I've been looking for this forever, so let's put that away. Somewhere where I'm just going to forget it's there. This I pulled out of that paper pad saying that I was going to use it for decorating, and this also. So I want to put this aside. And there are some Halloween stickers on here, so I have that. But I do have this, and I don't know if this is going to fit. It's not. Well, I guess it could. It could fit. Should we try it? Or should I use this and then the Happy Halloween somewhere else? I think I'm going to use this one. This is from my last Halloween journal. Now, the problem with this is it's stuck. The problem with this is it's stuck. No. No, no, no. Any other time if I wanted this to stick, it wouldn't stick. We know this, right? Like, that's the story of our lives. I did not want it stuck there because my journal's not full. So the page wrinkles. So we're going to peel it off. I'm telling you, why is this sticker so sticky? Any other time the sticker wouldn't have stuck. You know it as well as I do. You know it as well as I do. Any other time this sticker would not have stuck. Oh my God. I'll be back. Okay. Hey, Simple Stories, why are your stickers the stickiest things in the world? Okay, I really just want to use the Happy Halloween. Is it going to fit, though? So what we're going to do is cut these apart and make sure they'll fit. Because we don't want to do that again. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. See, I think Halloween will fit here perfectly. And of course, Happy will fit here. I'm just going to do it. Now I have it like flat. Actually, let's not be dumb. Here we go. Let's not be dumb today. We just want it so, and I put it on crooked. Do I care at this point? No, I don't. I have something better. Oh, here we go. This is better. Here we go. That's better. All right, and then the Halloween. I'm going to put it as close to the edge as possible. There we go. Just wanted, because now this is very, it's still thin, so there was not enough. That's what happened with the other one. There was not enough. What? I don't know. Not enough height. So it got screwed up. And what I'm going to do is just use this one on the back here and be done with it. Okay. There we go. Those are the only stickers I had left on that sheet. This was from, oh, I couldn't even tell you. 2 years ago, I believe. So I still had them from 2 years ago. But now they're gone. Those are the only 2 stickers I had left from then. But they're gone. They're done. So now here we are. Here is our cover. And then here is our cover page and my date. Alright, so that is it for today. That was this video. Next video, we are going to be making a journal charm. Alright, I have the dates written down. So the next video will be on the 12th in the September Build a Journal, because the 10th will be my journal with me for the month, for the first journal with me for the month. Okay, so the 12th, we'll be making a journal charm. The 14th, make altered paper clips. The 15th, find or make ephemera. The 19th, make pockets. 21st, make tabs, as many as you want. The 22nd is the make the tags. The 26th is add trims. The 28th is add all the items to your journal that you've already made. And the 29th will be my final flip through of my journal. Alright, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to join along, don't forget everything will be linked in the description box down below. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye for now.